You're standing on the surface of Enceladus, and the ground beneath your boots is already trying to kill you. The ice shifts. It knows you're here. Cracks race toward your feet like something underneath is reaching up. The last thing your brain registers before the fissure opens is this: the moon is alive. The view from here is breathtaking. Saturn hangs above you like a god, its rings catching light in ribbons of gold and amber, and the white ice plains stretch endlessly in every direction, silent and perfect and impossibly beautiful. But something is wrong. The ground is warm. Not warm like sunlight, warm like a pulse. But here's the problem. Beneath your feet sits a liquid ocean the size of Earth's, pressurized and ancient and moving, and it has been building pressure for billions of years. Right now, in this exact second, it is looking for a way out. The fissures, scientists call them tiger stripes, as if naming them makes them less terrifying, are venting that ocean directly into space at 400 miles per hour. You are standing on top of the exhaust pipe. The ice beneath you isn't a floor, it's a cork. But it gets worse. When that cork blows, and it will blow, the pressure column that erupts will hit you before your nervous system can process the sound. The force doesn't throw you, it unmakes you. Your suit compresses inward in milliseconds. Your ribs don't break, they dissolve into your lungs. Cassini flew through these plumes 14 times and measured particles moving fast enough to punch through reinforced steel. Cassini had no bones. You do, and this is where things change. Say you survive the initial blast. Say the plume carries you upward instead of through you. Now you are in open space above Enceladus, tumbling in a geyser of ice crystals and organic molecules and superheated water vapor, and your suit has a micro-tear from a particle moving at hypersonic speed. The water vapor hits exposed skin and flash freezes at -201 degrees. Not slowly, instantly. Your jaw locks. Your fingers stop bending. The last sensation you feel is your own eyes going rigid in their sockets, staring permanently at Saturn, which does not look back. Then, silence. The plume stops. The ice resettles. Enceladus exhales. But that's not even the worst part. The Cassini mission detected molecular hydrogen in those plumes. That means hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor. That means chemical reactions. That means heat. And if there is heat and chemistry and liquid water that has existed for billions of years in total darkness, then something down there has had time. Unimaginable time. The kind of time that turns single cells into things with teeth. You are not just standing on a dangerous moon. You are standing on the roof of something's home. And the ceiling just cracked. And then you realize there is no rescue mission. No trajectory from Earth reaches you in under 7 years. The signal you send right now, the last transmission anyone will ever receive from you, will arrive home long after they've stopped listening. You are 800 million miles from the nearest human heartbeat, suspended above an alien ocean that may contain life that has never once considered mercy. on a moon that is actively, geologically, violently trying to eject itself into the void. You don't die here because something hunts you. You die here because the universe set this trap 4 billion years before you were born and left it running, patient, waiting for something stupid enough to land on it. The ocean beneath Enceladus has been screaming into space for longer than complex life has existed on Earth, and no one was ever supposed to hear it. Space doesn't hate you. It just built something beautiful, made it deadly, and never once thought to warn you.